Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to this episode of Building with Lego. We are putting together one of the Camaros in the 2016 Chevy drag race set. In that set, you get the 1969 Z28 and the 2016 Chevy Camaro. There are 445 pieces total, but that also includes the starting gate and some extras. So the cars themselves, just a standard amount of pieces for a 6-stud wide Speed Champions car. And so here I am quickly putting together the red 1969 Z28, and all in all, pretty easy build. One thing that's challenging when I buy these kits after the fact, sometimes they come with the stickers already on them like this one did, so that's a little bit challenging. But love the car. I'm not a huge Camaro fan, but this is what it looks like when it's done, and all in all, great kit. So pick it up if you can and build it. For now, Mr. Johns is out.